Hey, hi everyone. I am Nirav Shah, born and brought up in Mumbai city in India, and I am a software engineer as a profession, and I am working in Asia's leading IT company, Tata Consultancy Service, since almost near 2 decades now. And you can see that I am a guy who always like to stick to something for a long time, my IT company, and similar to this even for sports, and very specific to the running, which I am doing almost now since 8 years. And I always believe that the big things have a small beginnings. And who would have thought that me running only 100 meters or 200 meters in my college times just for fun will end up running ultra marathons. And in terms of running, I have run many half marathons, full marathons, even in domestic or even in the foreign conditions. And very recently I completed 50-kilometer hill marathon, and last week itself I just completed 12-hour stadium run by running 67 kilometers. That is a 167 laps of the stadium. And for me this is one of the greatest achievement for myself, and I am looking forward to become an Ironman in the coming future, to do 3 sports back to back like swimming, cycling and the running. And most of us on this planet wants to remain fit, right? And I am sure that every new year we make a new year resolutions to start something in terms of sports, or we all want to remain in the routine and the fit. And whether you do a walking, running or any form of sports, there are many intangible benefits. Like playing sports help us to reduce the body fat. Sports allow you to gain the satisfaction of the developing your fitness and the skills. Sports can also help you to fight some depressions and the anxiety. Sports also allow us to challenge ourselves, set the new goals and many more. And I think also through the sports you will meet new people with the similar interest to yourself, and you are likely to gain many new friends, and that's kind of a socializing. And I think, speaking to my own experience, I read this sentence somewhere back and it just stuck to my mind, that most of the ultra runners or any sports person will always face rough patches in middle of something, and it can be tough to stick until you start feeling good again. But getting through the rough patches in any ultra or any marathons, it what makes the journey so fulfilling. So I believe that when motivation is there, the mental challenge becomes much more manageable, and when you are more capable of working through the hard moments. And I really believe that anyone can run any half, full or any ultra marathon or any sports which you would like to do in your life. It just require a practice and practice. And once you master this, I think you are just unstoppable. So along with the sports, I think that nowadays even the sports tourism is also one of the fastest growing sector in tourism, because more and more tourists are interested in the sports activity during their vacation or during their trips. And I think because just take as an example the major sports events like Olympic Games, football or the rugby championship, those have become the powerful tourist attractions in themselves and making a very positive contribution to the tourist image of the host destination. So the mega sports events such as Olympics, World Cups, they can be the catalyst for tourism development if successfully leveraged in terms of destination branding or the infrastructure or the development or the other economic and the social benefits, of course. So I just would like to pass a message and to inspire all of us that every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. So guys, keep yourself always fit, participate, get involved in the sports. I think also try to just improve the sports tourism, or at least if you cannot participate, but if you can also go as a spectator and just enjoy the journey. So thank you.